Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. How are you guys doing? I had a very late start this morning. Woke up early because Menace was throwing up. Luckily, he didn't throw up on his bed. He just threw up on the floor. And it's very loud in the middle of the night. So it wakes me up and I cleaned it. It was like at 5:45. So I was waking up to a few times in the early hours and couldn't really go back to sleep. So when I did go back to sleep, I woke up and I'm like, oh shoot, it's 10:45. Like that's the latest I've ever gotten up in a long time. So just did my morning routine, had my breakfast, I did my morning stretches, my 20-minute neck pillow, and now I'm gonna do my skincare. It is currently a little after 12, so yeah, very late start. I wanted to hop on and say hi. I am dealing with crazy allergies the past few days, and today is just another day. I'm sorry if I sound really congested, but that's just my life. I really need to go get like an allergy shot. Now that I have a new insurance, I can probably, most likely I will look into it and schedule an appointment and just, I can't do this anymore. Sorry, the dogs are playing. Mega came out of the room. That's why I took Menace out. Alexander is at work. He gets off at 4. We're gonna do a double date night with my friend Anwar and Sini. We're gonna do hot pot tonight. So it's perfect weather. It's a little cold. I think it's gonna be like 50 degrees tonight. So that's great for hot pot. And they've only been to hot pot once. They haven't been back since and they loved it. So we're gonna do that double date night with them and I'm looking forward to it. Finally got an appointment to do the epidural steroid shot for my neck. And it's scheduled for January 31st. And I'm so ready. I'm a little nervous because I don't know if it's going to work for me or not, but fingers crossed it will. A few people that have done it before told me that it helps them a lot, but I don't know. I just feel like I'm one of those unlucky people that will not work for me. So that's finally scheduled and I just got more medication for the pain, just taking medication every single day. I don't like that, but I just want to take it for now, and you know, sometimes it helps, sometimes it doesn't. It just fluctuates a lot, my pain. Can you say hi to YouTube, Menace? Menace? He likes to eat his toys, so I only give him a limited amount of time to play with his toys, like no more than 10 minutes, because he just chews on it, bites it, and eats it. Also, I finished my first word search puzzle book and that took forever, but I finally finished it, and now I started on this one yesterday, the gratitude one. So far I've done a few of the word search puzzles. I haven't gotten to the first exercise yet, but it just really relaxes me, and I just love that every word search at the end there's a quote down here. So I'm enjoying it. I'm just gonna take my time with this. I'm not gonna rush through it. Doing this like in the morning just to kind of like, I guess, stimulate my brain, you know, and not be on my phone first thing in the morning. But I'm almost done here with my skincare. Just gotta put my moisturizer on and my sunscreen. Oh, also, oh my god, I forgot to tell you guys. Today is January 6th as I'm filming this. Tomorrow is my 1 year post-op on my nose. So basically it's already been 1 year, and it's crazy to me. Basically 1 whole year since I got my nose done in Turkey, and it's just so crazy how time flies. Just a little update on my nose, if you will. No regrets, absolutely no regrets. I love it. I still like do this here and there just because I'm just so used to massaging it the first 6 months of recovery that I do this every now and then, like throughout the day. I mean, obviously the cartilage here has softened up. Sorry, I'm doing it while I'm talking. The cartilage here has softened up, so it's not so stiff anymore. The doctor did a great job. I actually need to send them a 1 year post-op video and photo to the nurse, just so that they can see how it is. But yeah, 1 year has gone by. And if you guys ever think about going to Turkey, getting your nose done, again, do your research. There's a lot of good doctors out there, also like ones that are questionable. But for the most part, like if you guys are planning on doing it, do it, because I don't regret it at all, and my whole experience was amazing. Get in touch with the doctor or his assistant, really look into him, the prices, where they're located, all that stuff. But yeah, it was a great experience. And if you guys, I mean, I'm looking at my old YouTube videos and I can just tell the difference of my nose so much. But yeah, it's going good. Very grateful and thankful that everything went well, recovery went well, and I'm Gucci. Hey Newman! The little afternoon snack. My grandma made some egg rolls. These are some leftovers. Eric already has a few in the toaster oven, but I'm gonna put some more in when he's done. Let's see if there's any fish sauce in the fridge. Yes! Oh yeah. I wish I had some lettuce or cucumber to eat with it, but that's okay. What a beauty. Okay, here is the fit for tonight. Double date night. Keeping it very casual. I did curl my hair with the oval wand for the first time with my hair being short. This is how it looks. I'm liking it. My hair is a couple of days dirty, so it doesn't feel the best, but I'm really liking how it looks. It gives me like a lot of volume. But here is my outfit. I'm just wearing all black. By the way, I am super bloated for some reason. It was a struggle to put these jeans on, but I'm just wearing my Target turtleneck. This, what is this? Fake corduroy outerwear from Shein, and these OG loose black jeans from Old Navy. I mentioned I got 3 pairs in 3 different colors, so this is the black one I got. It's like the faded black, which I really like. And then I'm just gonna pair it with some Adidas, and that is my outfit. I'm so ready for hot pot, and I'm looking forward to seeing Anwar and Sini. So I'll film what I can during dinner. I mean, you guys seen me film so many times getting hot pot there, so it's really nothing special. So I'm trying to like add some of that volume to my hair. So I'll see what I film tonight, what we get up to. It's most likely just gonna be dinner. Alexander isn't feeling too well, so we might just have dinner with them and head back home, but yeah, we'll see. The sky is so pretty tonight. Very beautiful. All right, off to hot pot. Hey guys, it is now the next day. Last night was a lot of fun with Anwar and Sini. We stuffed our bellies. Like, I couldn't breathe for like half an hour. I had to unzip my jeans when I was in the car, and we decided to come over to their place afterwards and play Jackaroo, and I had my jeans unzipped the whole time because there was no way I was going to manage anymore. Super packed yesterday. We came at the perfect timing because I think there was like 2 tables left, and we got the second to last table, and then after that it was just in line non-stop. Don't really, well, I say Anwar pretty often, but we don't really do like double dates that often, but we need to. I like it. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, now I'm in the car. I'm heating up the car now to head to the running class. Today is a 10 o'clock only running class today. No combo, no core workout, just on the tread the whole 55 minutes. I don't know if it's going to be a speed day or a hill day. We'll find out when I get there. But I'm looking forward to meeting the new coach. His name is Miguel. He's a super gay, flamboyant guy, and Christine says that his playlist is super fun, and who doesn't love a gay, flamboyant guy? Like, I'm excited to meet him. Hopefully I can get more miles in today. Hopefully. The hot pot was brewing a little bit in my stomach last night because it was a bit spicy. but I feel better this morning, but we'll see, because you know your body likes to switch up on you when you're doing something. I got my huge Stanley ready to go, got my heart rate, and yeah, we'll see how many miles. Alright, I am back home. Just had my protein shake. Excuse the bed behind me. Oh, we didn't make the bed today, so it's a little messy, but I'm gonna be hopping on the bed very soon. My class was really good today. I feel really proud of myself. I pushed myself and, you know, ran a little over 3 miles, so that's good. I feel like anything over 3 miles, I'm happy. My mom is vacuuming and Menace does not like the vacuum. He always barks at it. So please excuse that. Actually, let me just take a little break. Okay, I believe my mom is done vacuuming. I've been having some weird, very weird dreams. And I'm not sure what it's supposed to mean. I don't even know if I believe in like the meaning behind a dream, but it's just so strange. Having a lot of dreams where I would go use the restroom at a public restroom, and it would be extremely filthy, like poop all over the walls, pee everywhere. The toilet has like mold and everything, and I'm like trying to go use it because I can't hold it anymore. Sorry, there's a fly in my room. So I've been having a lot of those dreams lately, and I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Nails are growing out a lot. Been having them for 15 days now, and they're lifting now. They're slightly lifting, so my hair is getting caught underneath, but I want to hold it for like another week before I get them done. I don't know what color I should get next on my nails. Maybe a pink, like a baby pink, light pink. I don't know. I'm gonna ask my mom to do my nails this time whenever she's free. Now I'm gonna put some lotion on. This is my favorite lotion and I'm almost out of it. It's the Aveeno Stress Relief Moisturizing Lotion. Calms and relaxes, and it's in the lavender scent. I love this. I apply this all over my body every single night and just applying it on my hands throughout the day. Yeah, I'm almost out of it. Great stuff. I'm gonna lay in bed and watch a couple of YouTube videos. Sorry for the glare, but it's been a few hours later. Alexander's off from work, and we're actually gonna drop off a couple of bags full of clothes to donate. I had like a spring cleaning, like an early spring cleaning, and I wanted to like clean the closet and just get rid of more things that I don't gravitate towards as much. So there's 2 trash bags full of clothes and a little bit of my mom's as well. And we're just gonna go drop it off at one of those donation bins. We'll just drop it in. And yeah, Alexander doesn't want to be home right now, so we're just gonna be driving around for a little bit.
My 3 days starting, so.
Yeah, he has 3 days off starting tonight. So we're going to be watching movies and shows. We need to watch Saltburn. Because Eric came up to me. Eric was like, did you guys watch it yet? I'm like, not yet. He said, why haven't you guys watched it yet? I'm like, we'll watch it on the days Alexander's off. I am dressed really funny, by the way, because Alexander just texted me and was like, come out. And I'm like, oh, I was in bed this whole time. And I just threw on some biker shorts and my Levi's coat. I look really funny because it's not even that cold outside. Alright, I'm gonna hop off because the sun is like glaring in my face. Alexander surprised me with Korean barbecue for dinner. I like our little nook right here. It's one of our favorite places that's close to my mom's house. It's a hole in a wall, but it's good.
It's a good hole in a wall.
It's so good. Thank you. Alright, dinner was good. I am not stuffed like how I was last night with hot pot. Now we're donating the clothes now. Alexander's gonna drop it off in the bin. If you guys know me, I just like to declutter as much as I can. And I find every little thing to just get rid of. There it goes. Off to better homes that will appreciate these clothes more than I did. Alright, back home now. It was a good dinner. I just realized we went out to eat this whole weekend for dinner, but that's okay. We had a good time. Editing this vlog earlier and I realized most of this vlog is just me talking while I'm doing my skincare, so I hope you guys like that. It's a little bit chatty in this one, but sometimes I just want to like keep you guys in the loop, you know. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.